Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about read a paragraph from a file and print the palindromes. So I have one text file, friends. So it may be anything. So I am taking one text file. So I will read, data. I will read characters from the file. I'll read the words from the file, and I'll find out the word is a palindrome or not. So let's get into the project, friends. Sorry, let's get into the code. Okay, friends, I have taken one class. In this one, already I have taken one file. The name of the file is input.txt. Let me show you, friends. Yeah, Arun Videos is the project name. Uh, in this source, I have taken one file. The name of the file is called input.txt. Okay, so this is the file, friends. In this file, I have taken some words. Okay, Liril, I, Madam, Test, and hello, how are you? So this is the content I have. So what I will do, I'll take I'll read the characters from this file and I'll check each and every word, friends. Okay. To I mean sorry to load to load any file, what I am doing is to read the data from any text file. What I am doing is just I am using file input stream class, friends. It is available in IO package. Say FIS equal to new, say file input stream. Here you have to give file name, friends, where the file is available. See here, where the file is available. I think the file is available under source folder. So just give source folder, source slash file name is, if you see here, input.txt. Say input.txt. Okay. Any errors? Yeah, I think slash. Okay, 1 minute. I did not give new key, friends. And this one as well, and double quotes you have to give. That's it, friends. And I think new space file input stream, so if it is throwing one exception, so add throws declaration. So it is file not found exception. Let me check, friends, whether file is loading or not. FIS, let me execute this one. Yeah, I got FIS object. That means file is available, and file, I got the file as well. And now what I am doing is just I am reading the content from the file. First, let me read the content. How to read, friends? It's very simple. In FIS, I have in file input stream one method is there, read method. So integer n equal to FIS dot read method. So what is the use of read method, friends? 1 minute. What is the read method? What read method will return? Add throws declaration. Okay, fine. The return type of the read method is, if you see here, integer, friends. What is the meaning of integer? It will read a character from the input file. Okay, so first it will take L value and it will convert convert into Unicode value. It will return the Unicode value. And if end of the file, what will be happen? If the pointer reach the end of the file, it will return -1. So that is the indication, friends. Okay, if the content, if the letter is available or if the character is available, it will return that Unicode value. Otherwise, it will return -1. So that's why what I am doing here, I am taking while loop here. In the while loop, I am checking. What I am checking, n not equal to -1. What is the meaning? It is end of file or not? I am checking actually. It is end of file or not? I am checking. Now let me display the content. System.out.println n value I am displaying. Okay, if you see here, what are those, friends? Oh, I'm sorry. So it is a infinite loop. So I don't want this one. Say n equal to FIS dot read next character. Now let me execute this one. Yes, friends. So if you see, all are what is that integers, right? So these are all Unicode values. So how to convert these Unicode values into characters? Very simple, friends. just typecast it. That's it. Typecast it to char. Automatically you will get all the things. If you see here LIRL, why I am getting like this? I want to display like this only. Why we are getting in the next line means because we are using ln. So if you remove ln, automatically you will get say exact output. So Liril, I, madam, test. Hello, how are you? You are getting friends. Okay, I hope you understood. Now what I am doing is just I am taking one say string temp equal to I am taking one string value. Here what I am doing is integer, I mean instead of this one, say char ch is equal to say char n value I am taking friends. Okay. Now I am checking what I am checking here. Just I am checking if ch is not equal to sorry ch equal to space or not. So what is the meaning friends? If you see here, each and every word is separated by a space. Little space I, space madam. So that's what. If you got space means what is the meaning? It is a new word we are getting right. Now if it is space, then I'll display the system.out.println temp value. I'll display friends. But where I am doing temp things here, say temp equal to say temp plus ch. Okay, let me display what will be happen here. And one more thing, if you display temp and temp equal to empty, I am doing. I don't want the previous word. I want current words only. Perfect. I am getting all the words into this temp. Now what I will do here, very simple friends. Instead of SOP, I am taking one method. What is that? Is palindrome. I don't have any predefined methods to check palindrome or not. So that's why I am taking one friends. And one more thing, friends. See temp. You are taking one. You are initially you are taking one space and you are appending right. That's why what will be happen. I want to remove the space. Just I am using trim method. Okay. Can you check here? I am taking one method here, friends. So to test whether this method is a this palindrome is palindrome method will return true or false. I will make like that only. Temp only. Instead of void, just I am taking one boolean. So just I am taking one for loop, friends. Inside the for loop, I am taking 2 pointers. If you know, if you want to know more about palindrome, I did one program on how to check given string is palindrome or not. So in my previous videos, if you want, please go through that video, friends. Clearly, I explained each and everything, and I have given that link in the description. Okay, I hope go through that one and come back if you don't know what is the logic for palindrome. So just I am taking 2 pointers, so that's why I equal to 0 comma say j equal to say temp length minus 1, friends. So first string I is pointing first character. So this j is pointing to the last character. So once I less than or equal to j should not cross each other. Say I plus plus comma j minus minus. I is coming from top to bottom and j is coming from bottom to top, friends. That's it. Now what I am checking each and every time first character and last character. Likewise I am checking if what is that temp dot caret of I say is not equal to say temp dot caret of j, then what I will do, friends? Very simple, friends. Just I am taking one boolean value, say boolean flag equal to false I am taking, and here I am making it as true, friends. And once if it is done, then if it is true, then no need to check remain character. Directly you can say flag equal to true, friends. So come out from the loop, then return what we need to return here, flag, friends. That's it. So what is the meaning of this one? Is palindrome, right? So that's why just what I am doing is not equal to, you can return it, friends. That's it. If it is palindrome or not, if it is palindrome, then what will be happen? Flag is false only. Then I'm returning true. If the if it is not palindrome, then what will be happen? Flag will become true. Then I'll make false and I'll sending the false value only. So directly you can come here and catch that flag value. Say flag equal to. Now I am checking if flag. If flag is true, then what will be happen? Display tempting. So let me display, friends, whether my logic is working or not. Say Liril I madam. So 1 minute, friends. Let me go to the input file. In this one, Liril is a palindrome, I is a palindrome, madam is a palindrome, but test is not a palindrome, friends. And if you add, you can add it. How what am I adding? MALAYA. Say MALAYAM. Say MALAYALAM. Okay. I hope it is also palindrome. Let me add it and see whether it is working fine or not. Sorry, I think it is wrong. I hope 1 minute, friends. The problem is, yeah, I got Malayalam as well, friends. Okay, that's it, friends. And still, you are if you are not understanding or if you are having any issues, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll make a separate video on that, friends. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching my video.